So guys, hope you all are fine. In this video, I'm gonna do the unboxing of the pure flagship killer device of 2020, which has just recently launched in Pakistan. I am talking about the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, which is on my hands. I'm gonna do the unboxing of this pure flagship phone. So before I start unboxing, make sure hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for more interesting unboxings and tech videos from our channel. So this video like target is almost 1000 like target. To make sure complete this like target to appreciate me, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the box itself. As you can see, the bluish and greenish look of the box and pretty looks awesome. So let's check some specifications on the back side of the phone. So as you can see, we have the variant color midnight black, and if we talk about the RAM and ROM, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, and some QR code scanners, and also as you can see Oppo E.t.c champion world cricket. So let's open this lid, and also pretty approved seal on the top of the phone. So let's unwrap the box itself. So on the top we have some user guide and some paperwork and a silicone case with a SIM ejector tool, as you already know. So this is the phone itself. As you can see some specifications on this wrapper. The front camera of this phone is dual punch hole, which has 44 megapixel selfie and 64 megapixel rear facing camera, ultra clear 108 megapixel image, and super AMOLED 6.4 inches 16:9 ratio screen, which is super awesome, and 30-watt Vogue flash charge 4.0. So let's take off the phone from the box, and as you can see the glossy and shiny look of the phone, it looks awesome. As you can see some magnets. So this phone already I set up this phone. So first of all, we have a headset of the Oppo Reno 3 Pro in greenish design, as you can see. Then we have Vogue charger. If we talk about the rating of the phone, so 5 volts 6 ampere is around maximum 30 watt fast charging flash charge. And this is the cable of the phone, green design in Oppo Reno series 3.0 cable. So let's take these things on side, and let's take a look of this super flagship killer of 2020. So this is the close look of the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. As you can see, the midnight black color looks awesome. Let's talk about some physical overview. On the bottom we have this Type-C connector, speaker grill, secondary noise cancellation microphone, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side we have volume rocker keys and dual SIM plus SD card SIM tray. On the top we have another microphone, and on the right side we have this greenish power button. So first of all, if we talk about this phone display, it has 6.4 inches super AMOLED screen, and the resolution of the display is 1080p by 2400 pixels and 411 ppi. The back and the front screen is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Let's talk about the cameras itself. The rear camera has a 64 megapixel lens which has an aperture of f1.7, and the 13 megapixel wide angle lens which has an aperture of f2.4, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens which has an aperture of f2.2, and 2 megapixel depth sensor which has an aperture of f2.4. The front camera has a dual rear front facing camera. The main camera is 44 megapixel rear facing camera which has an aperture of f2.4 and 2 megapixel rear facing extra lens which has 4 depth sensor. Both cameras supports 4K video recording. The front camera is on 1080p resolution, and the rear camera is at 2160p frames per second at 30 frames per second. Back camera also supports dual LED flash, but front camera does not have any flash. Camera quality of this phone is super awesome. I am already tested this phone. After we upload the unboxing, we are preparing the camera review of this Oppo Reno 3 Pro. I am working on it. Let's talk about the chipset of this phone. We have the MediaTek Helio P95 octa-core 2.2 GHz ARM Cortex A75 plus 6X and 2 GHz Cortex A55. GPU of the phone is the PowerVR GM9446, which has a super powerful chipset for gaming phone. If we talk about the RAM and the ROM management, we have 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, and this phone has very snappy feeling in my hands, and as you can see its speed and its accuracy is very good. Let's check some features of the phone. So I'm opening the camera, and as you can see the clear look of this camera, we have a night mode option, portrait option and much more. If we check out the video option in the settings, so the video settings has been available at 4K at 30 frames per second, and on the front facing camera we have a 1080p 60 frames per second, and this phone camera is pretty much awesome for selfies, for video vlogging and also some other stuff. If we talk about the battery, we have 4025 mAh battery, which supports 30-watt fast charging in 50% in around 30 minutes and 60 minutes around completed charge. If we talk about the pros and cons of the device, the pros is it has amazing rear camera, amazing processor, amazing speed, amazing RAM and ROM management, but I can suggest this phone supports a very fastest processor for gaming. If you are a gamer and some kind of a vlogger, you can also consider this phone. Let's talk about the price. In Pakistan it has around 65,000, but I purchased this device at around 62,000. You can also check it out some offline and online markets for some discounts, and also it depends on very conditions. Enjoyed this video, please like and support me because I need subscribers. No subscriber and no views is coming on my video, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. So take care of you guys and support me always. Allah Hafiz.